I took a walk through this beautiful world. Felt the cool rain on my shoulder. Found something good in this beautiful world. I felt the rain getting colder.
Fried chicken, herbs and the other ingredients.
Everything, water, all the herbs and ingredients like that is all from emulsified.
We're making pad thai.
Woo! Everybody's favorite.
We have rice noodles and our sauce and bean sprouts.
We're making lomo saltado. It's a recipe from my family actually. It's a Peruvian dish.
Oh, Peruvian. Oh, nice. So this is like a family recipe?
Yeah.
Wow. So no skin.
Yep.
What is it?
Falafels.
Falafels?
Oh, and do you want to clean up some?
Right, so now you've taken that mixture and you're coating the chicken with it.
And usually you eat this in a pita.
I was expecting it to like chicken. So I had to go for ingredients.
And
Ooh, this guy's going to town on this.
We call it meat paper.
So have you made this with like your mom and aunts and
My grandmother.
I say we did pretty good.
Oh man, it looks the best.
presentation is wonderful.
We should not even on the team.
Perfect bite.
Perfect place. Sweet mystery of life, at long last I found you.
I'm thinking like 30.
I'm supposed to put the yogurt in there.
There's a little more than last week.
Looks great.
This tzatziki sauce. Oh, good for fresh.
Good.
A real museum exhibit, and then when people come visit it during our open house, we're giving presentations about it.
Surely Ayutthaya was very critical because of its location, right? Where was it located?
It was located in between 3 rivers.
Now, what was the main trade in Africa that made Songhai rich?
Gold and salt.
Guys, what's more important, gold or salt?
Salt.
Salt.
There's not going to be any leftovers.
I took a walk through this beautiful world. Felt the cool rain